How to delete LinkedIn account permanently. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the top left corner, you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. Head towards the option of settings. Now go to the option account preferences. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you will see the section for account management, and under that you will find the option of hibernate account and close account. Tap on the option close account. Are you sure you want to close your account? You will lose your connections, messages, endorsement, and recommendations. Tap on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to close your account. And then tap on next. To continue with the process, type in your password. If you want to get unsubscribed from LinkedIn email, you have to check in for this option. After you are done, tap on this option. And with that, you have just closed your account. Although you have no longer access to it, it will take a few weeks for your public profile to disappear from search engines. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily delete LinkedIn account permanently. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.